Okay, man, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dem here, Demthelightss, and I'm back with a Robinhood trade and investing video, but this time I'm about to teach y'all how to use Robinhood. This video is on YouTube about using Robinhood. I don't think it's, real explained, so this is Demthelightss version, and I'm about to teach y'all how to use Robinhood. So first, download the Robinhood app. You can find that on the App Store. Just download Robinhood. It's a little green app, say Robinhood with a little leaf feather, whatever you want to call it, is up there. So let me turn on my screen recorder so I can show y'all what inside Robinhood look like. Okay, so inside Robinhood, as you can see, I got $4,452.47 being invested right now inside the stock market. So this number right here, the 4,000, that's how much money is in your Robinhood being invested. That's how much money that's in there. The lines right here it tells you how much what's it doing in the price. Seeing it's fluctuating. See at 6:50, AM, I was down by $4. Then it shows at 12 o'clock PM I was up $42. So just the little front screen of the app, so investing. But before you get into all that, I forgot one major steps. Yes, you got to create an account. You got to put in your social security number, your SSN, because this is real money. The government want to see your gains, so you can put it on your taxes. You got to sign up. You got to link your bank account, or you can link your card. I say link your bank account because of the fees of your debit card. Is too much fees up there, so I already linked my bank account. But when you link your bank account, you get instant deposit. So I'm about to show you that soon. You get instant deposit of trading. So the money hit your account, but make sure you have that money inside of your account. So when it get taken out, your account won't go into negative. It takes like 2 days for this to get cleared. But you see, it shows you a day ago right here, how much you made today, how much you made last week, how much you made 1 month ago, and how much you made 3 months ago. See, 3 months ago, I made $1,235.99. That's the past 3 months. And 1 year ago, I made $2,380.70. That's how much I'm up 1 year ago. And then you got your all-time high, all-time up 2,517. It's 130%. That's all-time right there. And also, when you sign up, you get a free stock. And if you refer somebody or invite somebody to the app to join Robinhood, you get 3 free stocks now. So that's cool. So right here, you got your buying power. This is where you deposit your funds and everything. See, I got $22 in here in my buying power, but I'm about to show y'all how to deposit the funds. So you just hit deposit. Oop, we're not gonna show that, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to hit the deposit. So you hit deposit funds, then you click the how much you want to deposit. And then once you hit deposit, you get like confetti will pop on the screen, and that's how much money you got in your buying power. So I got $22 in my buying power. That means I got $22 that I can buy into a certain stock. So first, I'm gonna buy a stock on screen for y'all. So as I can see, let me pick a good one I got for y'all. See, I'm gonna buy PSET. It's Prospect Capital finance stock. So you can hit trade right here. You can hit buy, sell, or trade options. Options, that's another video for that. I go into depth about how to use options. But hit buy. You can buy in dollars, or you can buy in the whole thing. You can buy the whole share for $8. So right here, I'm gonna buy the whole thing. I'm gonna buy one. So you hit review, swipe up. The order is being received. Boom. The order is placed for $8. PSET purchase. So I got another stock of PSET. And yes, PSET is a monthly dividend stock. So I can always back out. So I'm gonna back out right here and show y'all you can buy in dollars too. So let me buy. I'm gonna buy another stock in dollars. So I'm gonna buy Gush right here in dollars. You hit buy, you can change it. You can buy in dollars right here, and I'm only gonna buy $2 of that. So it's only gonna give me $2 worth of Gush. You see, it went through. It only purchased a little quantity of Gush. You know, the average price of the share was $79. So that's how much I bought it in at the average price. That's the whole $79 is how much the whole stock owns. So you don't gotta buy the whole stock, as you can see here. But this is basically the front interface, like the main interface of the app. You also got the cash management section on the app, where you can also get the Robinhood card, and the money you have in here, you can also spend that through the Robinhood card. You can treat it like a account, savings account or checking account. So you swipe the card and the money will come out. Then you got the search, the browse, where you can browse through. It gives you certain news of the days about the stocks, tell you what stocks is up, and you can also search for a stock. So if you want to search for Apple stocks come up right there, and we can search for it easily that way. Clear that out. Then we got the messages. So the messages is about how Robinhood communicates with you, and it keeps you a track on what you buying. So as you see, it's just telling me right here, we receive your order to buy $2 of Gush at the best available price. If your order isn't filled by the end of the day, the market hours 4 p.m. Eastern time, it will expire. So if Robinhood don't fill your order, it just expires. It just knocks it all out. So you get that $2 back. But as you can see, at 3:27 p.m. today, fantastic. Your order to buy $2 of Gush is complete. You receive, fraction number of the share at an average price of $79.75 per share. So that's where you keep track of what you bought, and also it just alerts you what you got. See, these are some other stocks, and also it tells you about when you're gonna receive a dividend, like Prospect Capital. I got my dividend on Reinvestment, the DRIP program, which is dividend reinvestment plans called Robinhood DRIP. See, they pay me $1.54. So that was reinvested and bought some more of that share. So I'm about to show y'all how you can turn on the DRIP too. This right here is show y'all this right here. This right here is basically the whole section of what's in your account, what's in everything. So you got your stocks right here. Tell you how much of your money is in portion. So crypto, you got 43% in crypto. I got 43% in ETFs, 0 in options, and 14% in stocks. And it gives you right here how much you got in finance. See, it shows the little check marks of how much is the finance sector stocks. Same with consumer goods. You can go by here and just click on different ones, see if you want to buy in what in consumer goods. So that's in that little person icon on the bottom right. But let me see where I can also right here, this little news right here, you can click through right here and it'll tell you different news. You can hit view article and it carries you to the article on the website. So CNN is talking about Elon Musk and Bitcoin miners. So you can hit done, it just carries you right back. And cryptocurrency is down there too. This is I like to say right here is where you can sort it up. See, I have little sections and groups where I put different monthly dividend stocks, so I know what I need to grab for, where's easy the assets for me. So you can always create a new list. Got the quarterly dividend stocks down here. So you can also name anything you want to. You just create new lists, enter list name, and yes, you got it. That's crazy. Oh well, I thought it'll let you change the little avatar right there. But let me see how I can show you how to turn it into Oh, right here, set up PSET's recurring investment. So you can also invest on a daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly schedule just by hitting the PSET recurring investment, and you can select what type of investment you want, like how many times you're gonna buy that stock, on what day, what week, what month, or bi-weekly, like different days. And these are just little stats at the bottom. It just tells you about PSET. And also your history of what happened while you own the stock. Did you buy it? Did you sell it? Did you get dividend? Did it get reinvested? And right here, when you click on it, when you receive dividend, you can click on edit dividend reinvestment. And these are all the stocks that pay dividend. And you can just click on, or you can click off, and boom. That's how you set up the dividend reinvestment. I always keep my own because I always want more of that stock. Let me see. And you can get a free stock here. Just click on that. Invite contacts. My fault. Click on invite contacts or share the link. And you just send it out to your friends. Get them to sign up. And you get 3 free stocks. And I believe they get 3 free stocks or 1 free stock. But yes, I got $11 left in my borrowing power right there. And really, that's really it to Robinhood, except for the options is a whole different video. But yo, man, this is a good way. Robinhood is a good way for beginners to get started investing. If you have any questions, make sure you comment under this video. I'd be happy to respond back to each and every one of y'all. But for now, man, just like, comment, subscribe on my video. I got more videos to come. And if you want to see another video that you want me to explain, or another topic, just let me know too at the bottom of this video in the comment section below. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Demthelightss. I'm out. Peace.